Hello everyone, so if you want to add a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, first of all, you're to locate your settings. Now we gotta scroll down to our security and privacy right here. Now we want to add a fingerprint, so start with the biometrics. Find your biometrics tab here and press fingerprints. Add your fingerprints. Now press continue. Now if you don't have your screen lock yet, like I don't, you will be prompted to set it first. So let's do this. Press next. Choose a PIN, password or pattern. I'll choose a PIN. Now let's enter our PIN. For example, we need 6 digits, or you can do less than that. For example, let's keep on with that. And now we are to add our fingerprint. So first we need to locate the sensor. The sensor is a power button. It's right here at the top. So as you've located the sensor, you're to place your finger on the sensor. And now we are to lift it off when the percentage goes up. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete that. Alright, after we added our fingerprint, we will be prompted to add another. However, we can press done. And basically that's it. Now we've got our fingerprint one added. And that's it. If you want to add another one, once again, open up your settings, open up your privacy and security tab. Once again, choose your biometrics, fingerprints, enter your PIN, right? And you can add up more fingerprints for different fingers or for a different person. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.